Ready to save your most incredible gaming moments? Let's explore Nvidia Geforce Experience and quickly grab those epic wins and memorable fails directly from your game's Forget Fiddly software. It's easy. First, make sure Geforce Experience is installed, then update it, open the application. If you don't have it, get it free from the Nvidia website. You'll probably need to log in to use it. When you launch it, it will detect your games, automatically check that your graphics drivers are up to date via the Drivers tab. This is important for performance and clipping. If not, update them now. Next, let's adjust the settings. Click the settings icon. The cogwheel. This unveils the general settings menu. You'll want to ensure that in-game overlay is enabled. This enables a clipping features. This feature helps streamline your recording settings. Navigate to the Recordings tab. This is the heart of clip creation. Here, define your clip save location, customize video quality, and establish video clip durations. Time to clip. In-game, press the shortcut to save the last gaming moments. Generally, Alt F10 grabs your last clip, Alt F9 is for recording, and Alt Z opens the menu and on-screen alert confirms the clip save. Use Alt Z to customize start, stop recording, capture screenshots, and tweak settings such as video resolution, bitrate, and frame rate. Your clips are saved to your selected destination. Now share those amazing clips.